and completely crushed. Rather than replace the entire quarter panel, I have a Nissan Rogue here. This one got hit right in the back of this door right here and completely crushed all of this. It may not look that bad in the video, but this is very wadded up right here, and all of this is pushed in. Luckily, rather than replace the entire quarter panel, Nissan has a procedure to just replace this dogleg section. So it's going to get cut right in here, and it goes to right down about here. And I'll remove that section, repair the wheelhouse, and then weld my new section on. I'm going to go ahead and grab this, pull this out, kind of straighten out that wheelhouse, and then I'll go ahead and cut my section off and start making my new section. Alright, I have this dogleg section sitting on here, and I have it overlapping the original pieces on the car just a little bit. I'm going to scribe this. Then I'll go ahead and lift this back off, and I'll trim this back the rest of the way, and then I'll have a perfect seam where I'll weld it in at. So I went ahead and hung the door on this one. I just want to make sure none of this was shifted. I didn't think it was, but I wanted to double check. And it looks like my door lines up very well. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this dogleg section welded on.